Today we got a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is "She punched a cop in front of her kids, then tried to play the victim."
I'll give you my life.
No, we're past that point.
On this ride-along, an officer goes for a run. Another shrugs his shoulders. And a witness has something to say.
Yeah, she don't do nothing.
On October 9th in Kissimmee, Florida, an officer was about to get punched in the face.
First of all, you're doing 31 and a 20, and both of them are not buckle in. He's standing up.
Yeah, I told him to sit down.
All right. Well, I need your license.
You gotta wait. So let me go inside.
No, that's not how it works.
You gotta wait. What?
I don't have it on me.
That's not how it works.
No, I don't have it. Do not touch me. You just touched me. No, you just touched me.
I need your license right now.
You shouldn't be doing that.
I need your license right now.
You just touched a female.
I need your license
No, I'm
right now.
you. What is your name?
Officer Vo, badge number is 897. I need your license right now.
I don't have my license.
Are you refusing to buy your driver license to me?
Yeah.
All right. Put your hand behind your back.
You're not touching me.
Your hand behind your back.
No, I didn't refuse. I said I'm gonna put my kids in my bed.
That's not true.
Are you refusing to buy your driver license to me?
Yeah.
Drive 14, Jamie, 94.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Do not touch. No. You just touched me. Get out. You just touched, and my kid has autism. Stop. Let me get up. I'll give you my license.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let me get up.
You literally just punched me. Put your hand behind your back.
Because you touched me. You just touched me. Let me get up. I'll put my hand to my back. Give me a second.
While that went on, more officers were on the way.
Let me get up fast. I'll give you my life.
No, we're past that point.
I didn't refuse to give you my
Yes, you did. You said you refused.
I said, let me put my kid.
No, that's not how it works. You don't do this. When I give you an order, you do it.
Hey, sir. But you touched me before anything.
Because you were walking
I
away.
wasn't walking away. I got down.
She appeared to be walking away.
That's not how it works.
I don't have it on me.
That's not how it works.
No, I don't have it. Do not touch me. I got down because I was bringing my kids to school. He literally pushed me. Exactly. He didn't let me bring the children inside. Can I get up at least? Él me empujó al piso. No me dejó ni darle mi licencia.
On 10th floor. Use of force. Stand up.
Ray, can you let me give you my license? I was gonna get you.
No.
You pushed me before anything. You didn't even let me give you my license. I got down and you already pushed me.
Step in.
But can you listen to me, please?
I'm listening.
Okay. Can you listen? I got down. You already pushed me.
You punched me.
I understand and I apologize, but you pushed me. You don't touch a
I
female.
did it. I didn't push.
You don't touch
I
a female.
literally stopped you.
You have a.
What's the thing with women thinking just because you're a woman, the officers can't touch you? Like what's with that? It's the same across the board. Just like if the roles is reversed, a man, if let's say she was a man and the officer was a woman, and he walked away and the officer stopped him, you think the guy is gonna say, You're a female. You're a female. Yeah, I'm male. You're not supposed to touch me. You think a guy is gonna say that if a woman touch him? So I don't understand the whole I'm a female. You're not supposed to touch me. Where does that come from? Like if you're not acting right, gotta get you together regardless. Okay.
Body camera.
It's on.
Exactly.
Right,
we
now step in.
and we can record that.
Right.
Listen, let me get my wallet and my.
No.
She's
Put your feet
annoying.
in.
Let me give you my
Put your feet
license.
in.
You're not letting me give you my license and my phone.
I went to ask you for your license. You said you refused.
I said I don't have it. I don't have it on me.
What happened?
She punched him.
Put your foot
If I
in.
don't have my license, I can't give you my license. I can give you my information.
Put your feet
Let
in.
me get my wallet and my purse.
So the officers asked her. The officer asked her multiple times to put your feet in. So now, if he forced you to put your feet in, don't sit there and cry. Talk about I'm a woman. You're not supposed to touch me. He done asked you. He done asked you.
You have my phone on the floor.
And slow everyone else down. You good, man?
I got punched.
Be units around to Highlands Elementary. You can downward response.
Log battery on a Leo. Send the supervisor.
With the scene calming down, some of the newly arrived officers found a couple of witnesses.
She don't do nothing. She don't do nothing. Yeah, she don't do nothing.
¿Tuviste todo?
Todos los días ella viene a dejar los niños en la escuela.
She witnessed the entire thing from the start.
Ajá.
Are you willing to provide a sworn written statement of what happened today?
Ay, yo no me quiero meter en eso.
Oh yeah, no.
Since that went so well, the officers asked the woman for her version of the events.
Explain with me what happened.
I was coming in from school and I was telling my kids, sit down, but my two kids, they have autism.
Okay.
So they don't want to sit down. I strapped them and then I didn't know there was a cop and I know where he comes and follow me when I'm turning into school. And I parked because I didn't know he was pulling me over, so I parked. And he turned on the light. So I got down and he got down running to me and pushed me to the door. And I was like, what are you doing? I'm just bringing my kids. And he was like, can you give me your license? I was like, I don't have my license at the moment, like in physical, I don't have it on me. Mm-hmm. And he didn't even ask me for my name, nothing. He just pushed me to the floor and that was it. And since he hit me, I pushed him like, hey, stop. And that was wrong that I did, but I apologize. But he pushed me first and I told him, do not touch a female when I'm not doing nothing wrong to you.
Okay.
And that's what it was. Then he pushed me from there.
Okay. So, were you able? Do you have your information on you or anything? Do you have that?
Yeah.
Did you give it to the other officers? Yeah.
Nobody has asked for it.
Let me get your.
Thank goodness for body cams, because her version of events do not line up. Okay, do not line up at all. Even to the very end, nobody has asked for it. The officer been asked you for your ID. This is how this whole thing started. Thank goodness for body cams for times like this, man. She lied bad.
Local traffic stop. When I tell you something, stop.
Yeah,
you don't dictate this.
You got resisted, bro. You get.
And we only with violence now.
With the arrest wrapping up, the woman would have one more surprise for the officers.
Okay. All right. By chance, do you know your driver license number?
My license is suspended, to be honest.
What?
My license is suspended.
But do you know the number by chance?
Oh,
You don't? So what's it suspended for?
tickets.
For tickets?
According to county court records, those open tickets are for failure to stop at a red light 8 times for a total of $2,755.20,
8 times?
including late fees. Like the channel? Hate sponsor breaks? Subscribe today to help keep the sponsors away.
So I got her information for you. How are you doing?
You good? You okay?
I'm fine. All right. And then you still got that on? Yeah. I just wait till you get that till we get done with everything. And then for traffic charges, she did say her license suspended. That's why she doing. That's why she didn't give it to you. For her tickets, that's what she said. Okay?
No, I wasn't even going to take her.
But instead,
Okay, so as of now, you are going to be arrested
Yeah.
for multiple offenses. And, the driver has a suspended license and battery on a Leo.
What do you mean?
Battery on a law enforcement officer.
I didn't really touch him.
Okay? So that's what you're being charged with right now. All right? We'll figure out the car situation later. But
Oh, my mom can come get it.
is your mom able to pick up your kids this afternoon?
I don't know, maybe.
So we'll figure that out.
You guys
Okay?
have to call her.
Okay. All right. We'll come to that. Okay. You have any questions for me? Okay. All right. So like I said, we'll be back with you. We'll see.
Thanks for coming out so quick.
Yeah.
The officer charged her with battery on a Leo, resisting with violence, resisting without violence, and driving with a suspended license. She'd enter a plea deal where she pled no contest to the resisting with violence charge, with the state declining to prosecute the other charges. The court then sentenced her to 18 months probation, assigned her to an anger management course, required her to complete 75 hours of community service, and have no further contact with the arresting officer. She also got tickets for speeding and having passengers under 18 not seatbelted. As of this video's posting, the traffic tickets were unpaid and late fees had been added to each to bring the amount she owed on traffic tickets to $3,316.80. The criminal case also had an outstanding balance due of $716. Thanks for watching. See you on the next